Assalamu alaikum. Hello, A-level students. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve a maths problem uh, from your first paper 9709, paper variant 13, session October-November 21, question number 5, and it's from a circular measure topic. Okay. In the diagram, x and y are points on the line AB such that bx equals to 9 centimeter and ay equals to 11 centimeter. Arc BC is part of a circle with center x and radius 9. Arc BC, okay, x is the center and the radius is 9. At the same time, CX is perpendicular to AB and arc AC is a part of a circle with center y and radius 11. Okay, y is the center of arc AC and its radius is 11. Okay, so that angle XYC equals to 0.9582 radians, correct to 4 significant figures. Okay, so we have to measure angle XYC. XYC, just mark it, XYC. Now, you probably think of S equals to R theta formula, but the problem is we don't know the arc length S, so we cannot use this formula. So let's check this out. What else we can do? Look, in triangle XYC, okay, so this is a right triangle. Okay, so we can use SOHCAHTOA. XYC, in XYC, XC is 9 centimeter and YC, which is hypotenuse, and XC is the opposite side of our concerning angle. So we can use SOHCAHTOA. Which one we have to use? So obviously sine theta, because opposite and hypotenuse are given. Okay, so we can write angle XYC equals to sine inverse opposite is 9 and adjacent hypotenuse is 11. Okay, so using calculator you'll get 0.9582 up to 4 significant figures. If you didn't get this answer, you probably forgot to shift the mode from degrees to radians. Okay, so be careful about that. Make sure that your mode is in radians. Okay, so next problem, find the perimeter of ABC. Okay, we have to find this shape, find the perimeter of this shape. Okay, so in this shape, the boundary lines are AB plus arc AC and plus arc BC. Okay, okay, but AB we cannot find directly. We cannot find directly the value, the length of AB. We have to split this. We can use this one, BX, as we know the value of BX plus AY, but we add this portion, that means XY 2 times. So we have to subtract XY 1 time. Okay, and then AC plus BC, arc AC plus arc BC. Okay, now it's easy. As you know, BX is given by 9 centimeter, AY is given by 11 centimeter, minus XY. How to find XY? Any idea? Okay, check. XYC is a right triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, so XY equals to square root of 11 square minus 9 square. 11 square minus 9 square. Okay, plus arc AC. Arc AC, arc length, we talked about this. AC equals to arc theta, where theta is in radian. So S equals to r theta you can use for this arc length. S equals to r theta. What is the radius? Radius is 11 and theta is 0.9582 plus BC. Okay, so BC, it's clearly visible that BC is 1/4 of the circle. So we can write directly 1/4 of 2 pi r. 1/4 of the perimeter of this circle. So 2 pi is the perimeter or the circumference. The 2 pi and the radius is 9. The radius is 9 for arc BC. Okay. Just calculate this using your calculator. 38.35 centimeter. Okay. We are done, but we want to find the area also. Okay. So what's the idea to find the area? Look, we can separate this as XBC, okay, area XBC, which is the sector for arc BC, and then we can add sector YAC, which is the sector of arc AC, and then we can subtract this triangle. Okay, triangle XYC. Triangle XYC. Okay, this is our idea. So first we have to add two sector BCX, sector BCX plus sector ACY, and then we have to subtract the triangle XYC. Triangle XYC. Okay, so sector BC, it is 1/4 of the area, 1/4 of the circle, and the formula for the area of the circle is pi r square. So pi into r. The radius is 9 square plus sector ACY. Now we have to use the sector area formula, which is half r square theta. Half r, the radius is 11 for this one, 11 square times theta. So theta is 0.9582. We used earlier 0.958. And then we have to subtract the triangle. And as this is a right triangle, we can use half into base into height, half into base into height. The base is square root of 11 square minus 9 square. 11 square minus 9 square times height. Height is 9 centimeter. Okay. So let's calculate this using calculator. Using calculator, we get 93.13 centimeters square. Hope you understand this one. If you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then,